Last time on Island ADV.
We are starting to get right into the beauty of the valley now, Island Riders. I wish we had more time, man, because I see like all the snowmobile trail like all over the place. Yeah, I think that looked too good. I don't know. Oh, I love it. Big mud hole.
Oh yeah, that's gross.
Another story down and into the Annapolis Valley official. All right, so now it's time to get ourselves onto our backbone trail and find the Annapolis Valley railbed section. Now this railbed section will ultimately take us in close proximity to our campsite location tonight, which will be at Cove Ocean Front Campground, which I cannot wait to see. But also it has a few other cool little things along the way too. And it's going to begin to serve as our primary trunk for the rest of most of this adventure. But I've not ridden this section before, and from what we've already seen from the Trans-Canada Trail, from which it's part of, I am not sure what to expect. If it's anything like the last time in Cape Breton, I think we might be getting put to sleep, my man. It's a beautiful little road.
It is.
It's kind of neat, like it's orchardy almost. Must be around 80 clicks on your fuel.
Yep, that's right.
I think we should be good to do everything we want to do for the afternoon with what we got from the tanks.
Should be pretty close.
Yeah. It says it's down at the end of this. Oh man, the farms are just gorgeous here.
Oh yeah. Judging from that trail that just popped in through from the right,
yeah,
might be a good indication.
This should be it right here at the top of this little hill. Oh, nothing. No dice. No motorized vehicles.
Brutal. What about that road that runs alongside it?
I think it's just field access, maybe? All roads private. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to pull her around, man.
Alright, man.
This did not pan out, I guess. But it's definitely a go in the off season.
Oh yeah, they definitely open it up to snowmobiles.
All right, well, let's head 101.
Cool.
And we'll track another and see if we can hook onto it some other way. It might be just this area.
Yeah, it's a weird thing, right? Because it's so based on municipality.
Yeah. Alright, we're going to keep pushing along. Either way, it's a beautiful ride.
Oh yeah.
But once we find something, we'll bring you back there. Alright, so we're back on the road a little bit, and we've been trying to find a connection up to the railbed trail, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. We got one more lead on how to get into it from Middleton, but even then it's shaky, and I'm about ready to give up on it for at least today, because time's running out. And I don't know if you're noticing all the gray clouds in front of us, but the weather's running out on us too. That is one ominous looking thunder shower, and we're chasing, and we're going right towards it. All right, a bit of a change in plans, folks. We were supposed to run the trail bed all the way here, or the rail bed all the way over here, and we were supposed to go check out a really cool story up in Bridgetown. I'll fill you in the gaps with that later on, but we just ended up running out of time and we ran through the belly of a serious thunder shower, and then we had another one. So we got completely soaked. Not too bad though. We were able to waterproof the gear. But at this point, it's time to head into camp. So we're going to make our way up to Cove Ocean Front and get ourselves situated. You all good to go?
Good to go.
Right now. So this is Annapolis Royal. I did ambitiously purchase sausages to try to make those tonight. So working towards the camp meal goals. We'll see how well that pans out. I think I'm gonna do fine. I don't think it'll be too bad as long as I can get a fire started. And even if then I can't, I'll just use the cook set. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. We'll have sausages. Hello, white car. I just really hope, man, that I didn't play this up too much. Like, we get there and we find out that there are no showers, there is no laundry, there is, like, all the amenities are not there, but...
Luckily, I'm just assuming there's no amenities other than bathrooms. And I'm gonna go with that, and then whatever else is there, that's just a happy little surprise.
Yeah, for sure. Awesome.
It's so cool.
The water, eh?
Oh yeah. It's so cool.
I can't tell if those are clouds or if that's the Bay of Fundy down there.
I think that's the Bay of Fundy, man.
Wow. Wow, yeah, look at that water.
It's gorgeous.
It just goes on forever. Should be coming up right away quick here. This is it. Do not drive through this park. Let's go check in, my dude.
I'll wait for your return. That's really pretty.
Alright, so fire is going to be delivered after 7 p.m. because that's the way they do it. That's where we go, I guess. Alright, let's go find our not so wild campsite. It's super quiet here, man. Like, the view is just out of this world.
What is today? Today's Friday, right?
Sure is.
You know what? It's not a long weekend, but there is a long weekend coming.
Oh, that's right. 86. This should be us.
It's gonna be gorgeous.
83. This should be us on the 86. Oh no, one more. At least I think that's how it works. 77. You think that's it down there?
Do you have the map?
Yeah, I think I went too far. How did that get us lost here?
I have no idea. It's kind of hilarious.
I think that's it right here.
87, yeah, it is.
Yep, alright.
They just have the picnic table angled in kind of a weird way.
Whoa, this is a campsite.
This is a campsite.
Now this is a campsite, Island Riders. Holy smokes. I knew we were going to have a good view, but this is just unreal. Unreal. Now I would send the drone up and get some awesome views, but the drones are not allowed here. And I think that's the same reason why on Prince Edward Island and places like this you're not allowed to have drones, just because there's a lot of wildlife within all this rock, within all the embankments, and you don't kind of want to spook them out of their habitat, you know? But anyway, I think what we're going to do now is start to get ourselves a little bit settled here. Get set up. Firewood comes at 7. Sausages will be on for 8 maybe, who knows? I love it. All right. So there's my tent there. There's old Fox chilling out. We're gonna put the tarp over him. We're gonna get rained on tonight pretty good actually. There's Brandon's setup. So he's got a bivvy bag there with just the lean-to tarp over the bike. Works very well. That's what we do in the army for the most part. So slept out in the rain like that before. And there's my tent. All my stuff inside it. Here's your beer. Thank you. So the story behind the grill is I got this at Canadian Tire and it was about 8 or 9 inches too long. So I just took a hacksaw to the side here and cut her up so it would fit into the Tux pilot pannier bag. And I'll tell you, I didn't think it was going to work nearly as good as it is right now. I mean, it's working really good. Those things are juicy, juicy. All right, Brandon brought the flatbread there for the sausages now. So they're looking pretty decent. Get this guy, toast him up. Oh, stay in the freaking grill. There we go. Let's see, what's the success rate here? Actually pretty high. That's outstanding. Cooking goal number 1. Success. There you go, Jimmy. I made some food, some legit food in can here for you, bud. You should be happy about that. So I think what we're gonna do is have some more cigars, have some more beers, finish these sausages, which are delicious, and these naan bread buns are just amazing. And then we'll go to ground, we'll get rained on, and we'll wake up in the morning and get rained on some more, and pack up and then find that rail bed trail. I see where it picks up in Annapolis Royal, and it's got there's like a train bridge or something that we get onto, and from there it should be all the way to Yarmouth, or theoretically speaking. Today was supposed to be that, but we'll see how she pans out. If it doesn't, I'll find something cool. We'll probably get one. Anyway, we'll see you in the morning.